marshmallows, right?
We have them, yeah.
Yeah!
Okay, put them down in the keeper.
Mom, these are bazookas.
They're bazookas, huh?
Yeah! Green Shark Hunts! Hello and welcome back to Green Shark Hunts. In this newest video, we have a new person. Baby Shark!
All right, what are we going to look at today?
We're going to look at a 10x5 which cost $100.
Right.
And because my
Where's it from?
It's from Kansas City.
All right.
So we better check it. But
So,
we have a big reveal at the end. How gross will this table be? But still, I can't wait to find out how disgusting. My parents told me a little about it. Guess what they found in here? Eggs. They found eggs that exploded.
Ew, David.
Here we go. Oh,
Oh, what is that?
Well, you can make your supper with
we had
these.
this a little bit packed.
Oh my.
That's cute.
Hey,
Dirty.
look, it's vegetable oil.
Okay, just toss that right in the dumpster, bub.
Mommy,
pass
Mimi,
it to
go
the
Mafio. Mimi, go Mafio.
We have brand new princess dresses
It's dirty, honey. But it's got a
Mom,
corn on
look,
it.
princess dresses.
With tags.
All right.
I'm trying to wash that.
American princess dresses.
I love it. I love princess.
You give your seal of approval on that, huh, Kaylee?
It's really fun.
All right.
Is
Oh,
it fun?
Mom, I found the rest of the gumball machine with real gumballs in it.
You want what?
Ew. Oh,
Yes.
Fun.
Bill.
What?
Look.
Well, you reckon that is?
Dad, we do love you.
Yeah, I'm up.
No, I tried to throw it in the dumpster and it didn't make it.
Nobody's getting a bath,
Look what
huh?
we found.
Unclean! Unclean!
Oh, we got a new face mask for you, Miles. Ugh.
Is this Chiefs?
That's cheap.
Do it. What do you do with Chief stuff, honey?
Trash it.
There you go. You got it.
Oh.
Wait. Yeah.
Woo!
So what is that for? That's for luggage?
I would say like in a hotel room or something. If you're going up to your room.
Oh,
Wow, we
Clean
found
it
two
up
things
real
from a
good.
hotel
Yeah.
that are completely useless without something.
that's
Here
great.
you go, bud. Jurassic World.
Way ahead!
Don't put it on your head. Don't put it on your head.
Pokemon.
Check the inside. Maybe there's still a sandwich in there.
Ugh,
There might be. Empty, but clean.
that's good. That'll sell.
If Miles doesn't want it.
Here.
Give me that. Give me
Well,
that.
let's put it to be cleaned. Okay.
Well, Miles, did he happen to see poop on something, throw it away?
Yeah.
Unless you think it'll wash.
Gross.
And then put them in.
Yeah, these clothes just aren't.
Now put them in.
Yeah. When we were picking them up, I'm like, a lot of trash.
A grinder.
Oh, okie doke.
Mom, look what I found.
Nope, there it is. That probably goes with this, yeah?
Yeah. I'll tell you if I find the rest of it.
Would it be worth trying to clean this
Oh,
little
what is
box
this,
up?
Mom?
Like a recipe box?
I wouldn't.
What is this, Mom?
Throw it away. What?
That's marijuana.
Okay, throw it. Just throw it.
That's actually marijuana.
Okay.
It's herbal.
That's not CBD though. It says cannabis sativa.
Nope.
What?
Remember?
Oh!
Okay, throw it. Why would you keep Velveeta cheese in a luggage bag?
Make it with Velveeta, it cooks better.
Okay, I'm sorry. This has to be for Kaylee.
It's cute.
Look, it's Minnie Mouse. See the bows?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that is cute. Let's wash it.
We have a Sony CyberShot, 10.1 megapixel. Probably about 20 bucks. Very nice camera work.
Very nice camera work.
Oh, now this is cool.
What is that?
This is a Millennium Falcon pocket watch.
Ooh, that's
It
neat.
doesn't walk.
Ooh, let me just hold on to that.
Does that walk?
Huh? No, but we'll have to look into it.
You might be able to like get it Fix.
Isn't that cool?
Oh.
I'm having that. I call dibs on that pocket watch.
Oh, do you?
This is a 2000 Expo Hanover, Germany coin.
Okay.
Can we sell that?
Imagine.
Maybe.
Where's the TV?
TV's in the back. Throw that away,
Viewers?
please.
Viewers, stay tuned till the end when we see how gross that table is.
I
Here's
feel like it's not that gross.
here's some teeth.
Oh my god, gross.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm missing a few.
Oh,
Yes.
wah wah.
I look like a nerdy hillbilly.
Has anybody heard of a Waltham watch? It's got 7 jewels.
I hit a shoe.
Put it down, we'll look it up.
14
that's
karat
cute.
gold.
Oh, but darn.
It says 14 karat gold.
Okay,
How
great.
come you get all the good ones?
Because you're looking through clothes right now.
I found
This
a...
just isn't fair.
Throw it.
Okay then.
Croft and borrow.
It's like a Kohl's brand.
This Kohl's is good. When you say Kohl's, I say keep.
I'm gonna go. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go
I
show
want you to
her.
put that across the bottom.
I'm
When
gonna
you
go
say
s-
Kohl's, I say keep. Kohl's, keep, Kohl's,
I'm
keep.
gonna go show her. Okay.
Yeah. I think I just got your butt, sorry.
Don't apologize for that. Say you're welcome to the viewers.
Is he always like this, Sammy, for this camera?
Yeah, he's pretty weird.
That's funny.
I love it when he eats stuff.
Yeah.
Stegosaurus.
You have to wear that for the rest of the video, Bill.
Yeah.
There's some. Oh, hey. Game Boy Color.
Yeah.
With batteries in it
Okay.
and a game.
Frogger.
Is that
Nice.
good?
That's good.
Great.
Game Boy Color. That's awesome.
Okay.
With a flogger.
Good job. Good find. Okay, I'm gonna sit.
It is a marshmallow
Here's
blaster.
the second one for you.
Yes. Now I have 4 marshmallow blasters. Now I don't know how to work the original 2, but I do definitely know that this requires big marshmallows, right?
We have them. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, put them down in the keeper.
Mom,
Little Hot
these are
Wheels.
bazookas.
They're bazookas, huh?
Yeah.
Now these are hot pants. There's Sonoma.
That's Kohl's. What do you say about Kohl's?
I say Kohl's. You say.
Keep. No, I don't say Keep.
Hey Dad, it says like a pencil box with pencils.
good.
It's just a box of school supplies.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'm gonna stop recording then. We got the back done. Success, right? Zach?
Great success.
Great success. Yep. Any final words there, Bill?
Great success.
Wait, success. Wait,
I got to
I'm
play
not
with
gonna
more
be filming
underwear
the
today than I
inside,
have
Dad.
for years.
You're not filming the inside, Dad?
Great success.
I can retire now.
What'd you find?
A whole bag full of money.
Oh yeah.
What are we, how much are we talking?
We're talking probably over 50 cents.
Oh, that is cute.
It was a cool bus.
You
What's
found
that,
a
little purse?
Minnie Mouse purse.
You always check a post for money.
Yes, you do.
They did not leave anything but the cuteness behind.
Oh, that's a keep though.
All right.
You see the Minnie Mouse purse?
Taste test.
No! Don't you do it.
No. No. No.
They actually took bites out of it.
Oh.
I tried.
Those are actually pretty good.
They're really good.
What's wrong with you? That was gross. He's gonna go tell Mom.
Oh, hey, Fitbit.
A game console.
Oh, hey.
That's
Legend of Zelda: Link's Awakening. This is a $50 game.
Really?
Yeah.
that look a marketing monsters thing. Stickers.
No, this is $50 all day long. Oh, yeah.
Are you glad I found it?
Your mom's gonna tell me I have to throw this away, but just because it's Friends logo, I'm gonna try to keep it.
I'll go tell Mom that right now.
Here's the TV I might have ruined.
The TV!
You see where that wheel went across it?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's gonna come off or not. But it's got a DVD player, it's a 30-inch TV.
The goblin needs a little break.
Where
Yeah,
you
the
going?
goblin's been working
Well,
pretty hard.
hold on. Because the goblin's gonna be excited about these next things.
Okay, the goblin does not want to miss exciting toys. Maybe things.
These are 3 hoverboards.
Wow,
They're Go Tracks.
Hmm.
I don't know how, we gotta find chargers for them. But if they run, we knocked it out of the park with those.
But we're keeping one.
What year is our 50-cent pieces?
67 of them before silver.
Okay, these are 77, 72, 71.
That's $2 right there.
Yeah. Four 50-cent pieces.
Whoa, that's a lot of money. You like that?
$5 commemorative coin. First men on the moon. Republic of the Marshall Islands.
Is it in there?
Yeah,
Let's get it open.
that's what it looks like.
No, we don't.
You wanna come?
I can open it.
My back skin from standing still.
Can I open it up, Dad?
No, that's a collector piece. In our break, we found a laptop, a heater,
We
some
hoverboard.
books.
Hoverboard.
Elsa's cool too.
Hey, look,
remember?
it's also a water gun.
Oh, I got a MacBook.
Doesn't work, Dad. Doesn't work.
I don't know.
Look.
It's an older MacBook, but it's a MacBook. MacBook stuff will sell.
Can I have that?
Why would you want it?
I need a laptop.
You have a computer.
Yeah, but it isn't mobile.
Hey, Poppy.
Wow.
Is it real?
That's real.
$90 storage locker.
I'll check this thing.
Hold on with this one. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
Oh,
No, this might be
nothing.
huh?
There's nothing in it, is there?
I don't know, but it's a smelly proof bag to avoid detection.
Oh. Oh.
If someone's having a party or somebody got to do their shirt laundry.
Xbox 360.
Is it in there?
Yep. Call of Duty.
Nice.
Nice.
Is it worth money?
No.
Oh. No.
No, then why did you say nice? Just trying to make me feel good?
Well, I mean, it's
It's not a $50.
it's not worth nothing, but if you sell it on eBay, by the time you pay fees and shipping, you're probably making 50 cents. So we'll probably put it in a garage sale with $1 on it.
Well, you talked about you could taste test mega bucks.
No.
If you taste that, I'm going in.
They're gummies.
No, I'm going in.
Miles, catch that.
Here, turn this off. I'm going in.
What?
Did he
taste it?
Yes, he did.
I'm Mimo. I'm Mimo. Mimo, I agree with you. You know why?
Sour Patch. You threw the Sour Patches away?
And clothes go like that. I'm taking a tiny break, okay, Dad?
I think we're alone.
Oh,